Today, guys, I'm going to show you how to install any website as app on Windows. So, did you know you can turn almost any website into a desktop app on Windows? And no, you don't need coding extensions or Microsoft Store downloads. So, this hidden browser feature lets websites work almost like real apps. So, here's how to do it. First, open the website you want to install, for example, ChatGPT. Or you can also open YouTube, Gmail, Netflix, TikTok, basically any website you use often. Now, if you're using Google Chrome, so click the three dots at the top right and go to Cast, Save, and Share. Then click on Install Page as App. So you should see that, and a new window will appear and click on Install, and it will be installed right away. So just like that, very easy. So again, let's do it from another app. So let's open Google Drive. Now, once it loads, click the three dots at the top right and go to Cast, Save, and Share. And again, you need to click Install Pages app and click on Install. And again, it will be installed right away. So, very, very easy. So, the website now launches in its own app style window instead of a normal browser tab. Now, if you're using Microsoft Edge, so let's open Microsoft Edge and let's search for any website. For example, Twitch. So let's open Twitch. Let's click the three dots in the top right and let's go to More Tools and go to Apps and click Install this site as an app. So in here, you can rename the app. So I'm going to rename it Twitch only. So delete the other words and click on Install. And that's it. Very, very easy. And that's it. Thank you for watching.